Hello everybody, it's Junk Dump back with a 1970 Oldsmobile 455. Today we're going to do the rear main cap, the bearing, and the seal. So with the rear main seal on these, you want to make it so that the halves don't line up with the cap, where the cap meets the block. So you want to offset that groove a bit. So you want it sticking out bit. So what I do is I set that rear main seal in, have it protruding out of the block, setting your crank, and then what I'm doing here, you'll set the rear main seal into the cap and have it sticking out the same amount. And that way, when you put the rear main cap in, where that lines up is going to be in the cap and in the block and not at the line where they meet. Now you just grab that bearing half and take that shell and you put it in its place. Make sure that tab fits into the relief that's cut out of the cap. Then you're going to go ahead and lubricate the surfaces. Now you want to use that anaerobic sealant. It calls for this in the manuals, and I do it because it's the factory manuals call for it. Just in that outer part of the shell there, you want to coat that surface very lightly. And be sure not to use RTV silicone in that area. That's an anaerobic sealant only, not RTV silicone. Now I just install the main bolts and torque them to spec, which in this case is 120 foot-pounds.